Hello and welcome back to another episode of our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Hive app not loading. Now before moving on, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to not miss any videos from our channel. Now let's move on to the video. Now the first solution to fix the Hive is to check if the app is updated or not. Now to check this, head over to the Play Store and there search for Hive. Now if you can see any kind of update button, then tap and get latest version of it. Now once your app get updated, check if this app is loading or not. Now if this solution didn't work, move to the next solution. Now for the second solution, you need to clear cache of your app. Now to do so, head over to the settings panel on your device. Now from your settings panel, tap on apps and there search for Hive. Once you're into this, tap on clear data and there tap on clear all data. Now after you're done with it, open the app and check if this solves your problem or not. Now if this then solve your problem, then the last thing you can do is to remove and reinstall the app. Now to remove the app, tap and hold the app and tap on remove button. Now once your app get removed, head over to the Play Store and again search for Hive. And now tap on install button to reinstall your app. Now once your app get installed to your device, open the app and hopefully this will fix the issue. And if that, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and I will be back with more videos like this.